Emery, where are we?
We're at the bay.
At the bay, and what are we gonna do?
We're gonna go fishing.
Going fishing, and what are you gonna catch?
I'm gonna catch a crab. I'll catch a fish.
A fish?
Yeah, and a lobster.
And a lobster, delicious.
Yeah, and I'll catch all. Yeah, I think I see a boat.
All right. This beautiful day, Barnegat Bay. Are you ready? We're gonna go get some bait.
Yeah, where's the bait?
Where's the bait?
Oh, the water.
Here at the bait shop.
Thank you.
Ah, we're here to get the bait. You're at the bait shop? Huh? We're gonna get the whole bait. Look at them. Oh. Yeah, look at that. What is that? Bunker, right? Yeah, look at that one. Oh, Stinky. Here. Fishing spot.
The fishing.
You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, so
What do you think?
I see Jeffrey down there.
We're here, a little fishing spot. Gonna try to catch maybe a snapper. I'd like flounder.
Whoa, look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, God. Now look at this one.
Whoa.
Oh, that's so heavy. But, you gotta climb up here.
Be careful.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Me to touch it?
Yeah, mine.
Go ahead, you touch it.
I don't want to.
Look, I'll touch it. See?
Oh.
You could touch it, see?
Well, yeah.
Yeah, you touched its eyes?
Yeah.
What's your finger smell like now?
Look.
Smell it. Does it smell like a fish?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. That's what we're going for.
Here is good. I think there's no fish in here.
No fish?
Yeah.
Yeah, I hope you're wrong, because we're trying to catch a fish.
I think I'll catch the water.
Oh, are you gonna pick up a fish?
Oh.
Did you pick it up? Let me see you pick it up.
Okay.
Pick it up and put it in your hand. Whoa, did you catch that fish?
No.
No?
Yeah, I gotta pick a better fish.
A better fish?
Yeah, like this one.
Like that one, but bigger?
Yeah. Yeah. We can put the fish back in.
Yeah. No, that fish isn't gonna be. Here we go, Daddy's gonna make a nice cast.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh.